CS49 Snoring Be Gone Oil. Say goodbye to sleepless nights with our natural solution for snoring. This oil helps reduce snoring intensity and frequency, promoting a restful and peaceful sleep. It improves overall sleep quality for both partners. Simply roll it on your chest, nose, and throat, and inhale deeply before bed. Reapply as needed, and for extra relief, apply to the soles of your feet. The oil soothes and calms the throat muscles, reduces inflammation, and helps keep airways clear and open. Made from natural essential oils, with no harsh chemicals or additives, it is non-invasive and easy to use. Solve any problem with the Mini Problem Solving Kit by Suyash Ayurveda.